Join us today as we show you the Red Lion Hotel in Radlett, where we stayed on a recent trip to London. We start the video as we are driving into Radlett. Here you see the train station on our left, and we turn right in a second for our hotel, the Red Lion. It is free to park in the Red Lion Hotel, and we had requested the gate code from reception that morning. We had pre-arranged to leave our car in the car park before check-in, as we wanted to head into London for a bit of exploring. So first a coffee in the Red Lion Hotel, so we could check train times on the Thameslink app and our plan of action for the next few hours. More of what we did in other videos on our channel. Okay, so a quick tour of our room in the Red Lion Hotel. It is very cosy, but in a nice way, especially on this chilly November evening. The beds were super comfortable, so a big tick there. The bathroom was well equipped and nice and warm. The shower and sink had electric controls, not something I'd seen before. The bedside tables were a great size, and we had plug sockets both sides of the bed. We had a coffee maker, kettle and bottle of water in the room, with a selection of tea, coffee and hot chocolate. The room had a hairdryer, however the cable was quite short. The room had a nice large TV. You might notice that the TV was where I would have liked the mirror to be though. You'll notice one of my pet peeves in the room though. No desk, plug and mirror in the same useful place. There was also a climate control in the room. The room had a decent amount of hanging space, plus an iron and ironing board. Although the train station across the road from the Red Lion Hotel was out of the Transport for London Zone 6, you could still use travel cards that could be topped up, like the standard Oyster Card and the ones we use, the Visitor Oyster Card, which we could top up at the station. Time to leave the hotel, so we'll just bring you along for our drive out of Radlett. All in all, a great location and a lovely hotel. We'll certainly stay at the Red Lion Hotel in Radlett again.